Hey everyone, welcome back to Taste of Teranga. Today I'm making homemade chicken wings, easy, flavorful, and perfect for lunch, dinner, or game nights. For the ingredients, we need chicken wing sauce, cut potatoes, homemade dip sauce, and some wings already marinated. So we're going to cook them in our lovely air fryer. Let's go! I start by placing the wings in our air fryer just like this, and they are well coated with flavor, and I season them with garlic, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and my special touch. So now I'm going to set our air fryer to 360 degree and let them cook until golden, crispy on the outside and juicy inside for 25 minutes. Alright guys, now let's make the sauce. I add a little butter to the pan. You can let it melt or just add directly the sauce like I'm doing right now, and I'll let it warm up gently so all flavors come together. Our wings are fully cooked. Look at that color. I love it. I toast them in the sauce. Now I'm going to give them a slow stir so everything gets well mixed. Now I want to add my final touch, like Italian cilantro, but it's optional, okay? If you want, you can add garlic, parsley, whatever you want, okay? But cilantro is my preference. So guys, it's time to serve. See you. This is our homemade chicken wings, crispy, juicy, and flavorful. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes.